Hello and welcome to the Smart Science Lab about how to measure in the Shadows Lab. And you'll notice on the Explore page, we always start with a brief lab description at the top and then a guideline below that. And then we're asking a question that you're considering when you do the lab. For example, here, what is the length of shadows at midday compared to the rest of the day? So once you've either written or picked a hypothesis related to that, now we're going to get into measuring. And in the case of this lab, you've got 7 different days you can measure the shadows from, one from each month, starting in June, ending in December. Let's go to June 10th and press play and take a look at what this video looks like. Now you're seeing a time-lapse video. The sun is going across the sky up here and the shadow going across the ground down here. Those are coordinated so that as you measure, by clicking on the end of the shadow, you're going to see that day go from morning to night. So let's follow the instructions. It says click on the end of the shadow in each image and be careful. Well, there's the tippy end of the shadow right there. And let's just follow it as it moves throughout this set of images, this video. And as I click on the end of the shadow, you're going to see on the right all those measurements appearing on the graph. Now, if you don't like the measurements you're making, if you feel like you're being too sloppy, you can always press this reset button right here and start over again. Once you've measured the whole set of data, all the points, they've all gotten onto the graph, then you can click the Save button to save your data up above into the list. Let's press Save, see what that looks like. Okay, you can see June 10th. And there it is in red. Of course, I only did about half the day right there, but I just wanted to show you how that save button works and how that measuring works. Again, you can continue to measure if you like. So let's measure a few more points. Then I can press save again, and it's just going to overwrite that June 10th and put more data in there. Thank you for watching this video on how to measure in the Smart Science Shadows Lab.